Every day in crypto, someone catches a life-changing play. A meme coin that does 5x's just on launch. A stealth launch tokens that explodes before anyone notices. But the real secret isn't luck, it's on-chain analysis. And one tool stands above the rest for beginners and pros alike, which is the Dex Screener. Today, you're going to learn how to read transactions like a pro, spot early alpha, and understand exactly what smart money is doing, all from one page. But before we continue, if you find our content helpful, do well to buy our educational token Wiki Cat. It is built on the Binance Smart Chain, and the contract address is in the description of this video. Now let's unlock Dex Screener, the engine room for on-chain information. All you need to do is just download Dex Screener from your App Store or Google Play Store for Android users. I have my Dex Screener here. I just click on it, Dex Screener, and it takes me up to its page. And when you visit, you could also visit them on their website, which is dexscreener.com, or you use the application, which I love the applications literally. So when you get a Dex Screener like this, you could select a chain you like, Base, Ethereum, Solana, just by clicking all chains. And you can now see the chains here: Base, Solana, BSC, Ethereum, Polygon, Pulse Chain, Ton, Monad, Avalanche, Sui, and a lot of other chains on it, because each chain has unique tokens and early opportunities. You can also search for a new token or explore trending pairs. What you could do is just paste the contract address that you've gotten, maybe search a ticker, or browse hot/new pairs on the home page. And you could this because this is where early opportunities usually show up first. So I'll just open a pair page, and because the pair pages are your command center, so let's search for a pair, and I would use Wiki Cat WKC. Yes, and I click on WKC. Now this is the WKC pair page, and you could see WKC paired with wrapped BNB, and it is trending, hot trending, 28 on the BSC chain. All right, now this pay page literally shows you your live price chart, which is down here, chart and transaction. It shows you your liquidity pool of the token, which is here, which is 1.3 million liquidity. It shows you your market cap, that's a 52.7 million market cap. So volume too, it shows you the volume of the Wiki Cat, which is 102,000 US dollar. It shows you the age of this, or how long Wiki Cat was created, 3 years and 8 months, 3 days ago, and also transactions that has happened on this book, because this is where Onchain Alpha begins. So let's go into our chart and transaction. And this chart and transaction helps us in a lot of ways, because you could literally see the chart of WikiCat, and you could use your technical and also fundamental analysis in trying to get in on a particular token. But the transaction section is the real-time heartbeat of the token, because here you look for who is buying, who is selling, how big are the trades, what time are entries happening. You're literally reading the behavior of the market. And you could see 22 seconds ago, someone bought with 0.027 USD. And this could tell you that, okay, that's a little buy. And you could see some sales like $0.1 sale, 0.087 sale, $19 sale, $8 sale, 100 USD sale. And these are all the transactions happening within the past 15 minutes. And you could see $107 buy gives a bullish sign, because you're literally reading the behavior of the market. Now you should also look for smart wallet footprint, which big signals include a wallet buying repeatedly in small amounts, a wallet buying early and holding, several wallets buying at once, and also sudden large buys after a long quiet period. If these wallets later appear on Smart Money Explorers, you found something very, very strong. Like, you could also check on the top traders in here, You could see someone bought with 192k USD and sold at 299k, and he made a PNL of 106.4k USD. You could see most transactions here. Very cool. 82 sold at 132. So you get to know who is buying and who is selling. You could see the holders chart here, and we have about 152,000 holders. You'll see the address holding. This is a dead wallet, and the amount is holding. And you could see PancakeSwap holdings. That's from here. You could see other holdings, and you see people on the leaderboard of how much the value of the token they definitely hold. And it gives you the leverage that, okay, you know what's happening in here. You could also check the liquidity pool to check who where the liquidity is at. You can see UNCX, yeah, and every other things pertaining to that. Bubble Maps has been integrated to the Dex Screener, where it's easier to track transactions using bubble maps. And I love bubble maps. You could trace a lot of transactions, right? So click on this, you could see a cluster supply 115k from 17 address in, and 36k out to 6 addresses. So it helps in viewing a lot of token transactions. But let's leave the bubble maps and get to focus on other things. One thing you should study is to inspect wallet activity too. And I could go to transactions here, and let's say I want to trace a particular wallet, and I get to pick this wallet, and it links directly to the BSCScan, right? And you do your on-chain analysis here. You could check, does this wallet hold other trending tokens? And you could see it's holding a few tokens: New Cards, Lottery, Inu, Phoenix token, all these, I think they're spam tokens, so you don't really need to bother about this. But the real tokens, Lottery, Inu, Phoenix token, New Card, and you just randomly check on this. And is it a sniper bot? Is it early in many projects? Do they sell early or hold long? This is how you find smart money wallets. You could also get to follow up on, and you could also study liquidity details, like the liquidity size, whether the liquidity is locked. That's on the info. You could see that the liquidity is locked. Total liquidity 37.20% locked, and literally all of Wiki Cat's liquidity is locked. It's just an internal update for Dex Screener to update this from their end. And you need to understand that low unsafe liquidity equals to danger, and locked/bond liquidity plus consistent buys equals to safe opportunity. And Wiki Cat has one of the best mechanisms where with every buy and sells, a liquidity pool supply gets bond. And you could also use the pair edge for early entries. Let's go back to our home screen, and you get to see now in our home screen you could find here you're trying to use an pair age over here for early entries. Pair listed within 5 minutes, ultra early, 1 hour still early, 24 hours it becomes a growing trend. And we could look for 1 hour, and you could see them here. So these are pairs that got listed within the first 1 hour, and you could get to look at them here: 45, 52 minutes, 33 minutes. And you could get to maybe ape in on any of them, and your conviction play should be very your conviction play should be top notch, okay? Because the earlier you spotted, the higher the alpha. And watch volume and velocity in any place you're entering or token you're buying. Fast buys equals to high performing, high volume is strong traction, low but steady volume is accumulation phase. So volume tells the story behind the chart. And why does this matter is because once you understand how to read transactions on Dex Screener, you stop guessing, you start recognizing patterns. You get to see rocks before they happen, and you spot early gems before they blow up, and you understand exactly how smart money behaves, because this is the foundation of on-chain alpha. Like you could get to, let's say I just randomly pick up this Piggy slash so. It's a boosted token. You can see after its pair Piggy slash so, you have 54 minutes a new pair and boosted with 30. That's that flash symbol and 30. And you see its liquidity is locked, total liquidity locked and burnt. And it has market cap of 47k market cap. So you're really in and you're early if you try to get on this. That's buys 628, sales 424, volume 60k, buyers 350. It's showing a bullish trend, honestly. And you could also check if the tokens get audited. Is it maintainable? Is it freezeable? You check literally all these things. And you also check if they have their socials connected to, just like Miss P here has an Instagram, a Twitter, and a Telegram page. And check if it's a red flag. Yeah, check for red flags because tokens get could be flagged. You could see all of this. No issues to it. Has been audited. G Monad. It's a token on Solana, funny enough, and it's Monad. So yeah, these are things you should look out for literally. So we also have a lot of tokens here, but you could randomly click on one and see that its liquidity isn't locked. Yeah, or just anything. You get to find out a lot of trends. All right. So, and that's your beginner guide to analyzing transactions on Dex Screener. Master this, and you're no longer a regular trader. You are an on-chain explorer. If you found this video helpful, don't want to subscribe to SMC Tutorials. Don't want to like this video and drop a comment on it. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. We see you in our next one.